Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites and starting the remote setup. Make sure Windows Hello Fingerprint is enabled on the target PC and you have admin rights. This allows credential forwarding. Once done, install a secure remote access tool that supports credential pass-through or enable remote desktop with network-level authentication. You'll want both devices on the same network or linked via your Microsoft account. This prevents extra firewall hassles and ensures the fingerprint unlock can be trusted and transmitted securely. Next, configure authentication and credential delegation so the fingerprint input is accepted remotely. Open Group Policy or the Remote App settings and enable Credential Delegation or Remote Credential Guard. This is why your fingerprint is trusted across the session. Then, forward biometric credentials in the Remote tool or allow Windows to perform pass-through. Also, check firewall and port rules so the remote connection is stable. And confirm the fingerprint reader shows healthy in Device Manager, because hardware errors break the link. Finally, complete the process by testing a remote unlock with your fingerprint. Initiate the session and touch the sensor when prompted. If it fails, try the fallback PIN to confirm authentication is working, then re-register fingerprints locally. If problems persist, reinstall the biometric driver, reboot both machines, and ensure Windows 10 versions and time settings match. Mismatched system time often blocks authentication tokens. One key troubleshooting tip: re-register the fingerprint after driver reinstall. That resolves most sensor-to-credential mapping errors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.